Superior's 13th pick in the 2026 CONEXPO-CON AGG Superior Product Display Product Draft for CONEXPO. Superior Industries selects the 6x20 Guardian horizontal screen from Superior Industries.
2 picks to go. This one at number 13, the Guardian horizontal screen, probably in about its 10th year since it came onto the market back in 2015, 2016, something like that. Since then, it's taken the market by storm, though, Matt.
Yeah, this pick is at 13. I think is quite a steal. You know, the Guardian screen line is single-handedly one of the highest market share products that we have. And like I said, getting it at 13 is a heck of a steal.
What do people appreciate about it? What do customers like about it, end users? How are they using it?
Yeah, a couple of things you want to look at when you come see this is the Fabricated I-beam deck design. Allows us to have the strongest deck on the market. The newly redesigned S2X tensioner for the drive.
The 6x20 Guardian horizontal screen. We've got 1 pick left. Can you make it?
I think I can stick around for it, bud.
All right. We hope to see you at CONEXPO-CON AGG 2026 right down the escalators from the monorail ramp in the silver lot.